Welcome to the chili recipe and I am Dimpal Shah. Today we are making the kids recipe special French fries. So without wasting time, let's have a look on the ingredients. Square cutted potatoes, turmeric powder, salt and vinegar, oil for deep frying, water is required. Now let's start with the recipe. Take one container, add all the sliced potato in it, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of vinegar, and some water. Now we have mixed it properly. Now give it rest for 30 minutes. As our 30 minutes time has finished, now we will keep this pan on the gas for 5 to 7 minutes and boil it properly. Our French fries has changed color. It has been turned into yellow color. It is done. Now we will strain the water from it. Our boiled French fries is ready with a nice yellow color. Now we will deep fry it. For that, let's start the gas. As our oil is heated nicely, now we will add the French fries to it. Fry this until it becomes red. If you are making the French fries by this method, then there are no chances of sticking the chips at the bottom of the pan. Our French fries is done, so we are taking it out from the oil. Now we will transfer it into our platter. Now we will garnish it with some chaat masala. So our French fries is ready. Kids special. Enjoy. Thank you.